Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in 8-ball pool. Click on the application. Now if this app requires an update, then instead of play button, an update button will appear. So you'll have to tap on that update button. Then this app will be updated automatically. So that is how you can update 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.